Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound US Dollar GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of British Pound US Dollar GBP USD, and as you can see, this is the 4 hours chart, my favorite 4 hours time frame. The chart is somewhat similar to the chart of Euro USD, but we have some opportunities here to trade in this chart. Okay, whereas the chart of Euro USD is dull in comparison to the GBP USD, because we can see that uh, though GBP USD is also trading in a narrow range here. Okay, but we have got opportunities to trade at the support and at the resistance as well. We have a better opportunity or a better window here. And whereas we saw that in Euro USD, there was no proper support here. There was no proper support on the chart. Almost all the levels were shattered. But the GBP USD, okay, GBP USD has got a support from the weekly time frame. Yes, you can see that after the huge fall in the previous week, market took support at this price level 1.3796, and this price level belongs to the weekly chart. I have already shown in my previous videos also, and if you're watching my videos for the first time, then let me show you again. Reboot drawings. Here you can see that market formed a red candle previous week, and market just took support at the pivot level. Okay, pivot level or the support on the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart, and as we all know, the weekly chart belongs to the big boys, the big players, and from the particular support level, market took support, and right now market is trying to go up. But due to the heavy selling pressure previous week, sellers are still present in the market. As a result, British pound US dollar is kind of struggling, and as we all know, US dollar was very strong previous week, and still US dollar is standing tall. Okay, let me show you. So this is the overall scenario of the chart, and as I have just said, okay, US dollar is still very strong. You can see that. See, British pound is also strong, but US dollar is standing tall. And if you want to see the chart of US dollar, then you can see that US dollar is still standing tall. Yesterday it formed a red candle. Okay, red candle, but the red candle does not signify that the trend of the US dollar has changed. But whenever we get a setup like this, and looking at these three massive bars, there is a possibility that market will just give a give us a pullback and will go up again. Okay, and as we all know, this is a resistance, and looking at the present condition of US dollar and the present strength of US dollar, there is a possibility that market will be going towards the resistance only. So US dollar is strong and will remain strong for the next couple of days. Okay, and if US dollar remains strong, then the possibility of euro and GBP British pound getting stronger is very less. Okay, so if US dollar starts going up, then euro and GBP will be start going down. So let's switch to a GBP USD chart again. And as I have already mentioned at the starting of the video, that we have some opportunity here. Yes, we have some opportunity here. Yes, there was a huge fall previous week. Okay. But right now you can see that market is trading in a range here. Though there is not much movement, but still there is a good opportunity to buy at this price level. If you ask me, Avilash, what is the best trading opportunity in the GBP USD chart right now, then I'll say that this is the level, okay, that you need to keep your eyes on. Okay. This level, This support level belongs to the weekly chart, and this is the level. Okay, try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, try to understand the strength of the bulls here. Try to understand the interest of the buyers here. Okay, when market was falling sharply, okay, when market was seeing heavy selling pressure previous week, this was the level that provided the required support to the market. So this level is not a Tom, Dick and Harry kind of a support. This level is a strong support. This level belongs to the weekly chart. Therefore, in case you find GBP USD at this price level, and if you see that market has taken support and about to bounce from this level, then go for a buy order. This is the best buying opportunity here. Okay. On the other hand, as you can see, we have one resistance also. Therefore, if market goes up and hit this level, I'm not saying that market will reverse, okay, but still there is a possibility, looking at the present strength of US dollar, that market may reverse. Okay, so if market hit this particular resistance level 1.3945, if market hit this particular resistance level, then just observe the price. If you see that GBP USD is strong, market has formed a green candle, fat green candle, then just avoid. Do not short the market, and do not go for buy also, because see, if you buy here, okay, if you buy here, then your stop loss will be here. And as you can see, 50 moving average is also coming down, and you can see that 50 moving average is acting as a resistance for the market for a long time. Therefore, there is a possibility that while market will be going up again, crossing this level, 50 moving average may provide some resistance and may not allow the market to go up that easily. And if this is your take profit, okay, if 50 moving average is your take profit and this is your stop loss, then your risk to reward ratio does not match, and you'll be compromising with the trading discipline. As a result, okay, as a result, what you need to do, okay, just observe the market, how the price reacts at the resistance. In case market reverses from the resistance, short the market. In case you see that market is not reversing, market is trying to go up, do not short the market. Okay, do not short the market. Only short the market if you see price struggle at the resistance, if you see shooting star kind of a pattern, if you see price rejection from above, or a red candle. On the other hand, you can also short the market if you see price reversal, price struggle, or shooting star pattern at the 50 moving average. Okay, so these are the levels. Okay, this is the best level for buy order. Okay, if you do not get opportunity to grab GBP USD at this level, then do not go for any buying order right now, because we do not have any proper level on the chart. Okay, let the market settle for a few days, then we will get some good opportunities, then we will get some proper levels to trade. As of now, these are the only levels. Buy here, okay, buy here, sell here if reverses, and also sell here, short the market here if market reverses. These are the only opportunities in the chart right now according to me. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.